reliable program that gives you all the information you need to know about the power sector, professionals in industry, electrical products, government agencies, the stakeholders, and many more.
Here we come again. It's the time T, is the moment M, to connect to your darling program, the Power Connect Show, happening on your darling station, Niger FM 102.7, and of course with your darling presenters, myself, the one you know as Ademola Benkranson Adegoke, and my co-traveler on the journey every week, the one you know as BB Banji Busari. Banji, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, and I'd like to start by saying, as long as our teaming, very, very esteemed listeners keep listening to this program, being part of the development, we will always be here to turning out better programs on no other station than Niger FM 102.7. My name is Banji Busari. Yes, today is we are re-emphasizing, we are reconsolidating, we are consolidating on the previous edition because this is our focus. It's a kind of the priority areas of EKEDC, and that's why we are running. It's like a series.
A series, yeah.
So you are welcome. My name is Banji Busari once again.
Okay, Banji, quickly we'll
just go for news and tidbits.
We just go to, onto news and tidbits for the day, and the one I have says EKEDC advises customers on metering process, and it says that a electricity distribution company has issued an advisory to customers on meter acquisition process. According to the advisory, customers now have the option of choosing from different meter vendors to acquire meters for their premises. Customers are enjoined to visit the company's website www.ekedp.com for details. So what they are saying is that now you are not limited to just one vendor, to get your meter. You have a list of vendors. Those vendors are well displayed on their website, and you can choose with their different prices.
So it will eliminate bureaucracy. There will be an easy process and a very quick.
It extends the process
of acquiring meters. The era of having to wait for months before you actually acquire, because it's been an excuse for some people.
The thing is that since the vendors are the vendors are many, so you can. So if vendor A is delaying you switch on to vendor B. Anyway,
we'll go for a short break. Yes, we are just lifting. I mean, the lead of the main. Yes.
Dear Ogbonge Eco Disco customer, abeg make you go our website www.ekedp.com/sts and enter your current meter number to check whether your meter qualify to upgrade to the STS2 version. If your meter qualify, we go holla you back. But if you not qualify, you fit apply for new meter and the EKEDC go return the meter money to you over time. If you experience any wahala, abeg make you contact our customer experience team through the email or phone wey we provide. This na public service announcement from EKEDC. EKEDC, now we dey empower the quality of life.
Well, you're welcome back. It's still Power Connect Show on Niger FM 102.7 APC.
Yeah.
You know that consistently in the last 3-4 weeks now, we have been hitting on a particular point. Don't forget the proverb you gave that in Yoruba land, when you hit
the blacksmith is hitting on the same point of
spot,
the metal,
he actually wants to create.
Repeatedly.
Yes,
he has something he wants to forge out of the
mind.
metal.
So as I said in my intro, it is energy theft issue. Is really one of the priority areas of our sponsor EKEDC. They know the damage, the kind of setback energy theft has actually caused over time, and all hands are on deck. That is why the company has actually given us the best hands to give justice to that topic in the last 3 or 4 weeks. We are not relenting until we achieve the purpose for this program.
No.
That is to provide the enlightenment, to let people know what they can actually do to stop the menace.
If this were to be, I'm going to try your knowledge of, thank God this is a language station. So we are allowed to speak in Pidgin, to speak Yoruba, to speak Hausa if you like. So I'm going to try your knowledge of Yoruba language. I'm going to do some translation. But before then, if it were in the military, they would say, no retreat, no surrender. So, no retreat, no surrender. So, as far as the war on energy theft is concerned, it's a case of no retreat, no surrender until victory is secured against it, because it's something that is, we may be looking at it that is just after all, it's only EKDC they are actually harming or hurting by engaging in energy theft, but it goes beyond that. It's something that affects the whole, every one of us.
Unknown to the ABC, let me also cut in. Unknown to some of our listeners or the people who listen to this program, the topic we have been treating is, in the end, if you look at it in the overall analysis, is actually in the interest of the listeners, of the users of EKDC, EKDC services.
Of course.
There's a nexus between energy theft and even billing.
There is.
So if you are receiving something, a somewhat high billing system and all, you've been complaining that you are overlooking the aspect of the energy theft.
You are overlooking the man who is engaging in energy theft.
Yeah. You do not know that indirectly what he's doing affects your own.
Okay, you know what, Banji? We know we have our guests, that we
who are around the corner.
They are around the corner. So, but before they join us, they come join the conversation. Why don't we even engage our listeners to know what they also
already
know,
like a previous knowledge?
Let's hear from them. How best do they think, the war against energy theft can be waged? How best do they think it can be waged and won? Okay. So let's hear from them.
Okay, for that reason, let me actually call out the numbers that you can actually call on to reach us. The landlines, you have 200-1515-1027. You can also reach us on 020-1515-2027. I repeat, 020-1515-1027. Then I have 020-1515-2027. Then you can also call us, reach us on 081-001-30349. That's the WhatsApp number. 081-001-30349. I hope you didn't forget the question put to you by ABC. How best can the war against energy theft be waged and won? Yeah. So we'll go for a short break. When we return the program, continue.
Oníbàárà Èkó Disco wa pàtàkì, jọ̀wọ́ lọ sí www.ekedp.com/sts kó o sì tẹ nọ́mbà mítà tó ń lò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ síbẹ̀ láti mọ̀ bóyá mítà rẹ lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti sún sókè sí ẹ̀dà STS2. Tí mítà rẹ bá lẹ́tọ̀ọ́, a ó tún padà kàn sí ọ. Àmọ́ tí kò bá lẹ́tọ̀ọ́, o máa nílò láti forúkọ sílẹ̀ fún mítà tuntun. EKEDC á sì dá owó mítà rẹ padà fún ọ láàárín àkókò díẹ̀. Tó o bá ní ìdojúkọ kankan, jọ̀wọ́ kàn sí ikọ̀ ìrírí oníbàárà wa pẹ̀lú email tàbí nọ́mbà fóònù tá a pèsè. Ìkéde fún gbogbo ará ìlú yìí wá látọ̀dọ̀ Èkó Disco. EKEDC, àwa là ń fi agbára fún ìgbé ayé ẹ̀dá tó yanrantí.
That's our program, Power Connect Show. You're welcome back. Don't mind us, me and Demola. Where we see now the Oyibo way we learn for university. Now we go. They try to tell you and tell. See, this program now for everybody. Now it be said any language where you sabi speak, particularly Pidgin, you are welcome. This program now for you, and say. Now the radio way they make sense.
Now the radio way they make sense.
So anything
the program way they make sense. Can't they happen on top radio where they make sense?
Make we join us. We don't fit do am alone. Make we borrow your ideas. so that you help us give us your own opinion. The numbers one again. WhatsApp number is 081-001-30349. 081-001-30349. You also get landline 020-1515-1027. 020-1515-2027. Those are the numbers to call on to reach us. Let us judge. Let us share ideas.
You don't call the number now. And the topic be say the question say the war where we say we dey fight against people where they tiffy light and where they now cause wahala for everybody, not be only themselves or for EKEDC. How you think say we go fit fight that war? Waiting we go use to fight that war so that we no go dey pay for light. Some people go dey do am, then some people go dey enjoy am for free, and then go dey cause us harm. How we go do am? It be like say someone dey line.
I know say if you know say maybe if through your idea we get solution to this problem. If you reduce your bill, if you reduce your bill, if you don't know say your area, some people they enjoy life where they know they pay for, where they make your own bill to go up and up and up. You feel reduce your bill through your cooperation with us. Not be EKEDC alone will enjoy this. So if we win the war, you yourself with the house, maybe your bill na 15,000 per month before. If it come to 7,000, yes, so if it come to 7,000,
because those people where they tiffy the light,
now your own light and the tiffy.
Now the money where they supposed pay, as they no pay, then go come distribute. To others, we don't steal them. So when you see someone where they
something,
so
you say something. Make say concern you.
People they say Nigeria spoil. They can't they even spoil them the more. But, why you not go do your own? Make it better.
But the question where I will ask is the technology aspect. How we go take technology safe? They catch the people. Say for traffic light. If you beat traffic light, for other countries, not be Nigeria. For other countries, they go just bring the ticket to you for house. Say, so how we go take
someone day line?
Okay.
Hello.
Be like so we don't lose the person.
No, we never lose him. Hello.
See, maybe he will call back. The number is still 081.
Hello. Well, we know hear you, and we to hear you.
It don't go. It don't go. The number now is 081-001-30349. 081-001-30349. WhatsApp number be that. If you call on to 020-1515-10.
Okay, another one.
Yes, so you are welcome. This is Power Connect Show.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you. Very good.
Very good.
I am Okon. My name is Mr. Okon.
Mr. Okon.
Yes.
You're calling from where?
Island.
Oh, okay. Very good. Okay. Oh, and our friend.
Now our friend is a regular caller.
He's a regular caller. Okay.
So, in this battle that energy source, EKEDC as an organization has to look inward. Get me? We have to, because most of the time there do know what is going on in certain places. They could also be said to be directing heading some people. And where some people are caught in the act, the best is settlement behind and then.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Okon. Instead of okay, Mr. Okon, thanks for your insight. We like thanks for the contribution where you don't make. But this is in the talk say make EKEDC make them look within. Whether some people they where them be saboteur, you understand? Maybe they not be only sabo self, then they do yabatua. You understand? Then because as we they get saboteur, now so we they get yabatua. So where they when they inside EKEDC. Well, the thing we say EKEDC they here. And then they try, because if you listen to the thing where they talk, then say they get zero tolerance for magu for wuru. So if they get staff where they do wuru, and for people like Mr. Okon,
say every day now for the thief or one day for the owner.
No, and the thing be say, say when Papa get too many children, you understand, one good day will be, black sheep now. So but the thing where they there be say we they tell our people now, not be to say this one na bad this you just they talk am.
And another thing I want to talk is say Mr. Okon, we must let you see the campaign don't start from within. The campaign don't before we come on here. The campaign they don't do campaign for within their company self. Say anybody where they get hand for that kind of thing. Now if you say they play with him work.
Make I even answer. You see, I dey check as before the program now. I dey check EKEDC website. Wait till I come see. I see one person where them put him picture there. Say this person we don't dismiss him. He no be our staff again. If you go their website, you go see the person for X. I see him. I see for him for X. I see for all their social media handles. Say this one. If it be something like this, the person
will
do.
Lead.
So EKEDC they try to punish, but the people people like Mr. Okon, they get their own part. You see anyone where they do mago where they do wuru.
If anybody won't help you to cheat, you go say me I know they cheat.
No, you go even report them.
Report the person.
You go report. You
go reject the offer. Fine. Then you go report the person. You understand? You go reject the offer because if you think say na I woof the tear pocket too. So please join us. Let us know your opinion about. Thank you, Mr. Okon, for your contribution. And they talk about technology. And they say abroad when you beat the traffic light, no be say they go run after you. Now for how they come bring the ticket. Get way where we go take the track. People where they use mago, they bury wire, they tamper with meter, they tamper with the transformer. They tamper with so that way too. When people don't say that they watch or that they track them, and they can't see they see the nefarious activities. You go check
he pay me. Waiting pay me. This question where you ask, he can't pay me. Say the people where they expect. Then get something where they owe them for traffic.
Wow.
We no make them arrive quickly. But I know say, then we go still call them back. You see, the thing be, this question where you ask, I know say not them for, answer the question. Say, waiting then they do. Technology they. Because, when person they do something, you can't no say, no escape route. The person go try to say, maybe make I know do am. So I know say EKEDC then get plans, then get things where they don't put in place. It be like say someone okay,
make we remind our listeners so maybe they don't forget the number self. The number now, WhatsApp number now 081-001-30349. 081-001-30349. I get the landlines to 020-1515-1027. You get another number 020-1515-2027.
Someone dey line.
Yes, so
someone dey line.
Yes.
This na Power Connect to where they happen for Naija FM.
Yeah, you're welcome. Let's meet you.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, on a co-decision conflict.
Yes.
I have a lot of requests to make.
Okay. Your name first.
I know the way from Mowo Badagry.
Okay, Mowo Badagry. Okay. Yes. Make we meet you. Your name?
Your name, Your name, please.
I'm Blessed Grandma. I know the parent and the don't touch my life.
All right, please go ahead.
I want to be anonymous.
Okay, you want to be anonymous? Okay.
Yes, I said that in over that day.
Okay.
So there was a time I had a family issue. So I left my home and came all the way to October. I stayed there for 3 months because there was burial and other family issues, sir. I stayed for about 3 months.
Okay.
So I left him. Nobody started telling me that this guy is a house me. So 2 of us went and locked the door. When I came back, I met Nepa boots on the door.
Okay.
So I met them on the ground. So the ones I can put, I put. Because somebody told me, they said, from the next building, they said, because I didn't say, I've not brought the, they will say no. Not knowing that it's breeze that blow the breeze away. What they did, they just put it on the gate. They knock it up properly. Because now somebody has to use the bottle. And she will use the Coca-Cola bottle and not putting it inside. But that time, they just hang it on the wall and go away. So what I did, and they now set my life up. I said in case of my dream, they tried to go to Agbara to make my report. I went there with somebody. And I'm 70 plus with arthritis. So somebody took me there. You know, I said at that Agbara market, because we enter inside the market to connect Nepa. That Nepa will do all this stuff with her.
Okay.
And get to that place.
Because of
I went to my
time.
bill, they said so that I can pay immediately instead of this coming.
Sorry,
to
make it brief. Make it brief.
Make it brief because of
Yes,
time.
they are
Because
making-
of others that want.
So when I got there, at the entrance of that office, not office.
Hello, sir. Can you make it brief?
And then she attended to me. What she told me was that she gave me a companion card. I called her today. She told me she's no more there. So when I got there, so I had to go and bring my evidence that I went for burial ceremony and this and that.
Okay.
What I did, I could not go.
Okay.
So I sent somebody on my behalf.
Okay. You know what?
got it.
Give us your number. Give us your number so that we can.
It's gone. Okay.
Gone.
Well, if you are listening,
He wants to be anonymous.
He wants to be
I
anonymous.
don't know why he wants to be. When he has a genuine case to report.
Make them no come cut in light. No, they can't cut your life. You see, let me also let people know that the electricity industry in Nigeria is a regulated industry.
What does that mean?
I go talk am. You see, and
they get oga wey dey oversee their activities.
Of course.
And so if they do anything wrong, the person go be like checks and balance.
Be say you no fit just do anything wey you like. People dey wey dey watch you, and the people wey dey watch EKEDC na Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission, NERC. So
I have to go on a short break. ABC. Sorry to actually cut you short there. I need to go on a quick short break. So it's a Power Connect show.
Dear Ogbonge Eco Disco customer, abeg make you go our website www.ekedp.com/sts and enter your current meter number to check whether your meter qualify to upgrade to the STS2 version. If your meter qualify, we go holla you back. But if you not qualify, you fit apply for new meter and the EKEDC go return the meter money to you over time. If you experience any wahala, abeg make you contact our customer experience team through the email or phone wey we provide. This na public service announcement from EKEDC. EKEDC, na we dey empower the quality of life.
Oh yes, so welcome back, ABC. Yes, our guests are here.
Our guests are here. Yeah, well, at least even though our time is almost up, we still allow them to say a word or two to our listeners at home. So I have here with me Mr. Abdulkadir Abdurrahman. Is the head key customer group, and I also have here engineer Natse Badegeshi, the head rapid response squad. I know that when people hear RRS, they will say, so not the only Lagos State get RRS, even EKDC get
Gentlemen,
RRS.
You are welcome.
So you are welcome.
We are sorry for what you went through. I know you respect time so much. Now let me start with Mr. Kadri Abdurrahman. Now I like good afternoon, welcome. Yeah, I'd like to just find out from you. Talking about fighting energy from different angles.
From different, we're actually looking at it from the angle of
in what ways is EKDC using technology? Excuse me, EKDC using technology to actually fight energy theft?
Okay, thank you very much. Good afternoon once again. What we are currently doing in terms of fighting energy theft is that most of the meters that we're installing now are fully fitted and they are smart. And we have our SIMS card.
Waiting down on me because we dey speak pidgin here. Say meter smart. We know say na phone dey smart before, but meters come smart. Waiting me.
Okay, when we talk of smart, it means that we can communicate with it remotely. Right from our offices.
Okay.
All right. Rapid response squad.
Rapid response squad. Oh, and that for me, you know, we it's good we look at fighting energy theft from the angle of service delivery. And you know, some people they will say because we don't call EKEDC, we don't call them, they no respond. Now I say make I help myself. What you want to talk to such people? What are you doing to ensure that doesn't happen? That once EKDC is contacted, you know, you move quickly.
Okay. Good afternoon, listeners. We are very grateful for this opportunity. Our response to our customers when supply goes on is that immediately we start that one, we take a move immediately, go to the feeder, look at what happened and rectify it within less than 24 hours.
Less than 24 hours.
I quickly want you to, because there are some common issues. There are those that the customer can solve themselves, or they can solve with the aid of, you know, your staff contacting customer experience center. What can you highlight for us, you know, some, you know, problems that customers usually face, you know, with their meters?
Common problem is maybe fuse cut, in which when it's reported, a staff will go with them immediately and go and rectify that. Another one is maybe loading the meter and you find it difficult to load.
Yes.
A customer, a staff, a competent staff will be given by customer care to go with that customer to rectify it with immediate effect.
Okay, I like to. Our time is
we have to run. We just
We have
to run. We have to run.
Well, that means no. We can't just part ways like that. We need to ask them to come back.
They will.
Next week is another day. Please. Our time is. You know.
So once again we have Mr. Kadri Abdurrahman and Engineer Nasir Badegeshi from our proud sponsors EKEDC. We want to thank you for coming, and we believe that when next we need you, you surely will come, because the customers are itching to hear from you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Very blessed to be here.
So let me apologize that you couldn't get the much needed response from our guest because of insight from them, because they actually got here late. My name is Banji Busari. Yes, it's next week's another edition of the program. See you then.
And my name is Ademola Ben Cranston Adegoke. Next week is another date, like Banji has said. We'll see you then. Bye for now.
Dear valued customer, kindly visit our website www.ekedp.com/STS and input your current meter number to check the eligibility status of your meter to upgrade to the STS2 version. If your meter is eligible, we will get back to you, but if it is not eligible, you will have to apply for a new meter, and note that EKDC will reimburse you for the meter over time. If you experience any issues, kindly contact our customer experience team via the email or phone number provided. This is a public service announcement from a coal electricity distribution company.